Hello and welcome to another More on Math Minecraft mystery. As you can see, I still have my dirt house, or as I like to call it, my hobbit hole, and I'm in the process of gathering cobblestone, to rebuild it. I have some cobblestone inside. Let's go take a look. Here is the cobblestone I have. It looks like I have 50, 100 stacks of 50, so each column is 100 blocks, 200 blocks, 300 blocks, 400 blocks, 500 blocks, 600 blocks, 649 blocks of cobblestone is what I have. And I'm going to build some walls for my house. Now, if you look around at my house, you can see that my walls are only 3 stories high, if you count this, or 3 blocks high, I should say. If you count this block up here, 1, 2, 3 blocks. And going across, not counting that corner, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks across. So my walls are 3 by 6. So if I need to build a 3 by 6 wall for each wall of my house, for each floor of my house, how many walls can I get out of my 649 blocks of cobblestone? Let's go upstairs and find out. Here is the Minecraft mystery of the day. I need 18 blocks of cobblestone to make each wall of my house. I have 649 blocks of cobblestone. How many walls can I build? This is going to take some work. I guess we need to go to the magical whiteboard. Ooh, push to activate. Ooh. So I have 649 blocks, and I need 18 blocks for each wall. So how many walls can I build with my 649 blocks? So what type of problem is this? Well, I have 649 blocks, and I'm breaking it into groups of 18 because I need 18 blocks to build each wall. So how many groups or how many walls am I going to be able to build whenever I take something and split it up into equal groups? That is a division problem. So our problem is 649 divided by 18. And I know some of you don't like to estimate, but I'm going to do a really quick estimate just to make sure I get a reasonable answer. And so I'm thinking 649, it's about 600, and 18 is about 20, and I know there are 30 20s inside of 600, so I know my real answer should be close to 30. Let's divide. So I have 649 divided by 18. So how many 18s fit inside of a 6? Well, no 18s fit inside of a 6. Some people just leave it blank, some people block it out with an X. I'm going to put a 0 there because there's 0 in the hundreds. Now I'm going to grab that second digit and just think of it as a 64. How many 18s fit inside of a 64? If you're not sure, I would just go off to the side and make a guess. For example, I'm guessing 3 18s fit inside of 64, but I'm going to come over here and do the math to prove it. It's called guessing and checking. 3 times 8 is 24. I'm going to put down the 4, regroup my 2. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and so 54 does fit inside of 64. So I'm going to say 3 groups of 18 is 54, and I'm going to subtract. And 64 minus 54 is 10. And I know I'm correct because if my remainder is smaller than my divisor, then I know I've done it correctly and I can keep going. So I'm going to bring down the next digit, the 9. How many 18s fit inside of a 109? Well, I'm not sure, but again, I'm going to guess. And I'm going to guess because 3 18s is 54, that 6 18s will fit. In fact, I'll just double 54 and I'll know that 6 18s is really 108 using my mental math. And 108 definitely fits. So 6 times 18 is 108. And I subtract and I get 1 left over. So my answer looks like 36, remainder 1. Is that a reasonable answer? Well, 36 is pretty close to 30, so I'll say check. It's a reasonable answer, but is that my final answer? Nope. because it says how many what? How many walls? So my final and complete answer is 36 walls. And so the mystery has been solved. And our final answer is not just 36, but it is 36 what? 36 walls. That's right, 36 walls. If I had 649 blocks of cobblestone and it took 18 blocks to build each wall, I could build 36 walls. So let's prove our answer. Here's our 649 blocks of cobblestone. We want stacks or groups of 18 because we want to see how many walls I can build. And it takes 18 to build each wall. So I'm going to start separating my cobblestone and see what I can make. Let's see, that's 12. There's a stack of 18. This is going too slow! Warp speed! So let's check. Here are my 649 blocks of cobblestone, and I've separated them to stacks of 18. Let's see, this is a row of 9, a second row of 9 stacks, a third row of 9 stacks, and a fourth row of 9 stacks. So 4 times 9 is 36, so I do in fact have 36 stacks of 18 blocks, which means I can build 36 walls of cobblestone for my new house, and of course I'd have one piece of cobblestone, poor little lonely cobblestone, left over by itself. So the answer is in fact 36 walls. Well, thank you for joining me for this episode of MooreonMath Minecraft Mysteries. The mystery has been solved. Please leave a comment or a question in the comment section below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.